Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Day 3 of July. It's just the prep for the big weekend. Happy Friday. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend planned. Ours, we're just going to be taking care of the dogs. There's not too much going on, but it's just going to be a lot of thunder vests and sedating. And that's not for me. Okay, so I brought another $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for our daily savings this month. Nope, I need to put it in the minis bank. I do have this set up with all the little decor and the dashboards on my Etsy. If I think about it, I probably will have linked it yesterday, but I'll try to remember to keep doing that in case it's something you guys want to ever use. Zero pressure. I know it's probably not a lot of people that like sharks, but you know, it's Sharkmas, it's Shark Week month, Christmas in July, there's all kinds of things, but I went the shark route, so we were going to go to the paper clip. I was thinking of maybe going to a D4, but I kind of like the D3 since we're only doing quarters. So let's start. 2 for number 5, 2 for number 6. I mean, we have one that we're kind of close on, but 1, 2, and 3 for 1. We'll see. 1 for 2. 2 for 3. 1, 2, 3 for number 4. 1, 2, 3 for number 5. 2 for number 6. Go back to 1. So I finished the Vampire Diaries a couple weeks ago. 1, 2, and 3. We have 2 left. So I just started the originals. So, and 2 for 3. So we will start on number 4. Whoops. Next time. Keep forgetting to get my shark paperclip. Get that out of the way. So yeah, it is really good. It's, you know, it's hard. I should have waited a little bit more time in between, but I also wanted to get right into it because I was really excited. Okay, so let's start at number 1. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's $1 going into number 1. So we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. And this one's from Mindy at SW Fanatic Saves. Oop, that one got stuck on my little, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have another $1 going into number 2. Just laughing already. This one's from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we have 25, 50, 75, and $1. So 75 more cents and this one will be done. Oh, it just makes me laugh. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So $1 going into number 3. And this one is from Dawn. It's Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. She made this for me a while ago. So we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. This one will save us $6. Okay, and then number 4. 1, 2, and 3. So we got 75 cents in number 4, which is exactly what we needed. We finished one for $3. Yay! Our first finish. So that's going to dog supplies. So that's $3. So let's get a new one to go in here. We have no, I don't know, no extra money. No. Oh, that says completed. Extras and completed that's supposed to be here. I was like, that doesn't feel right. That goes there. Let's see what we got. What's back here? I thought I had like a 4th of July one kind of staged. No. I was trying to do one over the 4th. Where's my 4th of July one? Well, Do I pull one from the side? I kind of feel like I should. Let's see if I can make this work from Greta at Agape Co. She changed her name for Greta, she didn't change her name from Greta. Her name is still Greta at Agape Book and Paper Co. I think is what it was, but she changed it to Agape Co, which I love. So let's see, we have $25, $50, $75, $25, $50, $75, $25, $50, $75, $25, $50, and then we'll make this one 50 cents. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will save us $4. I'm going to put it on the cat. So we will start this one, these two, next time. Oh my gosh, we finished one. That's exciting. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 125 going into number 5. I always think Trash Panda every time I see this. Okay, stay trashy. So we have $1.25. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1.25. And this marker is from Cece at Creations by Muneka and Elvira. It's I'll have these linked. I usually use all the sparkly markers. Okay, so that one's almost, we're getting there. Getting there, getting there. And then last but not least, we have $1 going into number 6. And number 6 is from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. So we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. I really hope I've been in chat at least most of the video. Oh my gosh. I'll work on my spacing. I'm still kind of getting back into doing the dailies. All right, so that is that. So let's get our $3 going to dog supplies. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then dog supplies. I really want it to be in this one. And it's not. Okay. I just want to touch all the binders. Dog supplies. Okay. So we are going to put our $3 in dog supplies. Perfect. And then before I get out of this one, I'm actually going to put our completed back here so we can keep track of how many of our minis that we do, because it's kind of fun to see how many of these I've been able to complete, and then that's what this is completed. That goes in there. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a super safe weekend, and I will be back tomorrow to do another round of this. So thanks so much for hanging out, and until next time, take care. Bye.